Hey everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to add footnotes in Canva. Perfect for reports, presentations, or any other document where you want to credit your sources or add any kind of extra info neatly at the bottom. So let's just get started. You can open up your Canva project or create a new one. Open up your design first. So let's say this is a project I would like to open up. You can also open up your project on your screen like this. And there we go. So if you want to go ahead and add up a footnote, it is pretty easy. Once you choose the document or the presentation where you want to add footnote, so for example, let's say this is the document where I would like to add it, you can select the text where you want to add the footnote reference, and right below it you can just go ahead and type in small number like 1 or 2. So for example, let me just go over the text. You can also head over the text from your left hand side bar. And once you do so, you can just go ahead and select the option of add a little bit of body text. You can select up your default text style or even add up a text box. So let me just go ahead and add up this one right here. And there I'm just going to type in a footnote number. So you can type in your footnote number as well. You can just go over and type in a number. So for example, 1. So what you can do is you can just go over and place it right here in the bottom and make sure the font size is very small. So you can just go over and select the font size, for example, 12, and there we go. You can just go over and place it in the section at the top. There we go. So let me just zoom it out and show you. There we go. You can see the number I placed here has been placed, a 1 number. That is the footnote. So you can make it look like a real superscript. You can highlight the number as well. You can color it up. Add different color available, even add up effects or animated if you want, and you can make it slightly up using the position notch up the tool or pressing the arrow key. And there we go. This is the method. You can just go ahead and add a footnote. You can add multiple footnotes, for example this one right here. So for that also you can just go ahead and add up a subheading or a heading, and you can type in any kind of footnote. So for example, if you want to type in text or any kind of links, you can just go ahead and paste it here. And once you do so, you just need to go ahead and make it seem very small. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make it seem very small. And once you place it, once you are okay with it, you can just go ahead and place it right beside your text, slightly upper, making it look like a subscript or something like that. And that is it. So this is only the way possible if you're trying to go ahead and add up a number and trying to change a certain letter into a subscript. It is not possible. You need to follow up this method if you want to create a footnote, and that's it. So that is how we add up a clean professional footnote in Canva. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching this video.